Now we will continue the third example of the exercise 1.2 and 1.2. Exercise 1.2 is the solution of the linear equation into variable of or by a graphical method. That's why the example number 4 is here x plus y is equal to 0 and 2x minus y is equal to 9. Boys and girls, at first you have to write here x, y and x comma y. X comma y is the coordinate of that point. Suppose I will put the value of y 1. Therefore, what will be the value of x? Then write the equation x plus y is equal to 0. It is the equation. And we have to find the value of x. Therefore, put the value of y in this equation. That is x plus value of y. We have substitute 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to this plus 1 becomes here minus 1. Now, here the value of x becomes here minus 1. Therefore, I will write here minus 1. And the coordinates are minus 1 comma 1. Now, suppose I will put here 2. Then what will be the value of x? The x plus y is equal to 0. And value of y is 2 here. Therefore, x plus 2 is equal to 0. And x is equal to this plus 2 becomes here minus 2. It is value of x, and I will write here in the box the value of x is minus 2. And the coordinates of that point are minus 2 comma 2. Suppose I will put now here 3. Then I will write here the equation, and the equation is x plus y is equal to 0. It is the equation, and we are substituting the value of y, that is 3. Therefore, x plus 3 is equal to 0, and x is equal to plus 3 becomes here minus 3. Therefore, we will put the value of x that we have find in the box, that is minus 3, and the coordinates are minus 3 comma 3. In this way, the first box is complete. Now we will see the second box, and the second box is of the for the equation 2x minus y is equal to 9. Here you have to write here x, y and x comma y. Now we will put the value of y, that is 1. Now equation is 2x minus y is equal to 9, and 2x minus the value of y is 1 is equal to 9. Therefore, 2x is equal to this 9 minus 1 becomes here plus 1. Therefore, 2x is equal to 9 plus 1, that is 10 here. And the x is equal to 10. This multiply 2 becomes here divided by 2. Therefore, 2 1s are 2 and 2 5s are 10. Therefore, x is equal to 5. Therefore, we will write this value of x in the box here 5. Therefore, the coordinate of the point are 5 comma 1. Now, in this equation, we have to put the value of y in the multiple of 2. Suppose I will put here 2, then 2 comes here plus 2, 9 plus 2, that is 11. It is 11 is not multiple of 2. Therefore, we have to put in the value of y as 3. Therefore, see here 3. Then write the equation for calculation. 2x minus y is equal to 9. It is the equation. And the value of y is 3. Therefore, 2x minus 3 is equal to 9. And 2x is equal to 9 minus 3 becomes here plus 3. Therefore, 2x is equal to 12. 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. Now, x is equal to 12. Multiply 2 becomes divided by 2. Therefore, x is equal to 2 6 are 12. The value of x is here 6. Now we will substitute, we will write this value of x in the second box, here the 6, and the coordinates will be 6, 3. Now for the third value or third box, we will put the value of y. See here, suppose we will put the value of y as 4, then 4 goes to there plus 4. 9 plus 4 is equal to 13, and 13 is not multiple of 2. Therefore, we will put the value of y as 5. Here 5. Then see the equation. 2x minus y is equal to 9, and we are putting the value of y as a 5. Therefore, 2x minus 5 is equal to 9, and 2x is equal to 9 minus 5 becomes here plus 5. Therefore, 2x is equal to 14. Now, we have to calculate the value of x. Therefore, x is equal to 14 divided by 2, and 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14. Therefore, x is equal to 7. It is the value of 7. And we will put this value in that box here, and the coordinate will be 7, 5. In this way, box has complete, and the coordinates of these points of the first equation and the second equations are, see here in the first equation. Here the coordinate of the first point is minus 1, 1. The coordinate of second point, that is minus 2, 2, and the coordinate of third point, that is minus 3, 3. It is the coordinate for the first line or the first equation. Now see here, for the second equation, the coordinate of the first point is 5, 1, and coordinate of second point are 6, 3. And coordinate of third point, that is 7, 5, in this way. Now, boys and girls, we will substitute, we will put the point on the graph paper, and you have already draw the graph paper in this way. In this way, it is a graph paper. This is a x-axis, and horizontal line is x-axis, and a vertical line is a y-axis. It is x-axis and it is a y-axis. Now we have to put the points on the graph, and first graph, that is the first point of the first graph or first line, is minus 1, 1. Now minus 1, where is minus 1 of the x-axis? Here is the minus 1 here, and 1 of the y-axis upside on this here. It is a point here, first point, minus 1, 1. Now second point, minus 2, 2. Here, see here, this is a minus 2, and 2, it is 2 here. This is a second point, and third point is minus 3, 3. Where is a minus 3? Here, it is a minus 3. And where is 3? Here, it is a 3 here, in this way. Go straight in this way. These are the points of the first line or first graph, and we have to draw a line passing through these 3 points. We have to draw the straight line passing through these 3 points. In this way, I have drawn the line which passes through these points, and we have to write, boys and girls, the coordinates of that point, and we will draw the second line, and the coordinates of the points of the second line are 5, 1. See here, where is a 5 of x-axis? Correct. Here is a 5. 5, 1. Now the point come here. 5, 1. Here is a point here. Now second point, 6, 3. Here it is 6 and 3. Go upside. Here is 3. In this way. And third point is 7. Here it is a 7 and 7, 5 in this way. Here is a 7, 5. These are the points, and now we will draw the straight line passing through these 3 points in this way. You have to draw a straight line passing through the points. In this way, it is a line, and these 2 lines intersect each other at the point here. See here, 3, -3. Therefore, we will write the last answer of this equation, that is the solution. The solution of this equation, or solution of this equation is 3, -3. See here, correct. 3, -3 is the solution of, you have to write here, is the solution of 3, -3. It is the answer here. Then we will continue the next example of that exercise, and for that exercise you have to make a box in this way for the solution of these 2 examples. And I will write the next example of the exercise 1.2. We have completed the third example. Now we will continue the fourth example. See here. Fourth example is that 3x minus y. 3x minus y is equal to 2. It is a first example of fourth example. Now the second example is, see here, 2x minus y. 2x minus y is equal to 3. It is a second example of the example number 4. Now we have to complete the box. At first you have to write in the first box, that is x, y and x comma y. In the second box also, here write x, y and x comma y. Now boys and girls, we will see the first equation, that is 3x minus y is equal to 2. We have to put the value of y in such that if it goes to RHS, it will be the multiple of 3. जैसे माइनस y अगर इधर आता है तो वो प्लस हो जाता है, और इधर सम होने के बाद वो 3 के मल्टीपल होना चाहिए. ये कंडीशन, इट इज अ कंडीशन. नाउ सपोज आई विल पुट हियर 1. let I will put here 1 and it becomes minus 1. Minus 1 goes to RHS, it becomes plus 1. Now 2 plus 1 is 3 and 3 by 3, that is 1. That is a multiple of 3. Therefore, I will put the value of y here 1. Then we will put the value, we will do the calculation here. We will put the value of y 1. 3x minus 1 is equal to 2. Now 3x is equal to 2 and minus 1 becomes here plus 1. Now see here, 3x is equal to 2 plus 1 is 3 and x is equal to 3 by 3. X is equal to 3 by 3. Therefore, x is equal to 3 by 3 is equal to 1. Here we will put the value of x in the box, that is a 1. And the coordinates will be 1, 1. First line complete. Now for the second box, we will see the example. We will see the equation, that is 3x minus y is equal to 2. Now see here, if I will put 2, then minus 2 comes here, becomes plus 2, and 2 plus 2, that is 4. 4 is not multiple of 3. Okay, cancel. Now 5, then 5 becomes here plus 5. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. 7 is not also multiple of 3. Then I will put here 6. 6 becomes here plus 6. 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. 8 is not also multiple of 3. Therefore, I will put here 7. Y is equal to 7. Minus 7 becomes here plus 7. The 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. And 9 is a multiple of 3. Therefore, I will put here y is equal to 7. Now we will substitute the value of y in this equation. Therefore 3x minus 7 is equal to 2 and 3x is equal to 2. Minus 7 becomes here plus 7. Therefore 3x is equal to 9. And x is equal to 9 by 3. Therefore, x is equal to 3 ones are 3 and 3 threes are 9. Therefore, x is equal to 3. Here, it is a second value of x. Then we will put the value of x in the box now. If we will put the value of y 7, then value of x will be here 3. And the coordinates are 3, 7. Now for the third box, the equation is that 3x minus y is equal to 2. It is the equation. Now see, if I will put here minus 3 or if it will be minus 3 minus plus 3 goes here, minus 3, 2 minus 3 is 1. It is minus 1. It is not the equation, it is not the multiple of 3. Suppose then I will write here 9 or 8. 8 becomes here plus 8, 10. 9 plus 2, 11. 10 is remain here. Suppose I will put the value of 10 here. Value of y, the value of y is a 10. But 10 is not on the graph, on our graph. Therefore, the number you have to consider must be on the graph paper. Therefore, I will let the value of y is a 10 here. Therefore, 3x minus 10 is equal to 2. And 3x is equal to 2. Minus 10 becomes here plus 10. And 3x is equal to 2 plus 10 is 12. And x is equal to 12 by 3. 12 by 3. Therefore, x is equal to 3 ones are 3 and 3 fours are 12. X is equal to 4. Then I will write here 4. And the coordinates will be 4, 10. in this way. First box is complete. Very simple. It is a technique, not so hard. It is very simple. Now we will come at the equation second. For the equation second is 2x minus y is equal to 3. It is a rough calculation. There is no need to write in the answer paper of the board. Therefore, it is a rough work. You have to do it for the correction. Now see here. We have to put the value of y such that it becomes here plus minus. Suppose I will here minus 1, then it becomes minus 1. Minus 1 comes here plus 1. 3 plus 1, 4. And 4 is a multiple of 2. The number we have get, it must be the multiple of 2. Then I will put here 1. Now see here. 2x minus 1 is equal to 3. And 2x is equal to 3 minus 1 becomes here plus 1. And 2x is equal to 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. And x is equal to 4 by 2. 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. Therefore, x is equal to 2. It is a solution of the equation. And if y is equal to 1, then x is equal to 2. I will write the value of x in the box here. Here is a 2. Now see boys, if I will put here 2, then 2 becomes here plus 2. And 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. And 5 is not in the multiple of 2. Therefore, I will put here 3. Then minus 3 becomes here plus 3. And 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. And 6 is a multiple of 2. Correct. Now, we will put the value of y as 3 here. The value of y is 3. Now, the equation you have to write 2x minus y is equal to 3. And the value of y is 3 here. 2x minus 3 is equal to 3. Now see here. In this way. 2x minus y is equal to 3. It is an equation. And we are putting the value of y as 3 here. Therefore, 2x minus y is equal to 3. And 2x is equal to these 3. And minus 3 becomes here plus 3. Therefore, 2x is equal to 6. Therefore, x is equal to 6 by 2. X is equal to 6 by 2. Now, x is equal to 2 3s are 6. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Here 3. It is the value of 3. X, and we have to substitute in the box. That is, x is equal to 3. And the coordinate will be here 2, 1 and 3, 3. These are the coordinate. Now boys, we will put for the third column, and the equation is that 2x minus y is equal to 3. It is the equation. And we have to put the value of y. It must be, the answer must be multiple of 2. Therefore, here we have put the value of y as 3. And now, if I put the value of y as a 4, minus 4 becomes here plus 4. And 3 plus 4 is 7. And 7 is not multiple of 2. Correct. Now, I will put here 5. Then what will be it? Minus 5 becomes here plus 5. And 3 plus 5 is equal to 8 now. And 8 is multiple of 2. Okay. Now, 2x minus 5 here. I am putting the value of y as a 5. Minus 5 is equal to 3. Now 2x is equal to 3 and minus 5 becomes here plus 5. Therefore 2x is equal to 8. Now x is equal to 8 by 2. 8 by 2. Therefore, x is equal to 2 ones are 2 and 2 fours are 8 now. Therefore, x is equal to 4. We will put the value of x in that box here. Here, the value of x is 4 and the coordinate will be 4, 5. Now see the boys, this is a solution of the box and you have to put these points on the graph, and the first point is that first the equation of first and the point first is that 1, 1, second point is 3, 7 and third point is 4, 10. Correct. Now for the equation second, the first point is 2, 1 and second point is 3, 3 and third point is 4, 5. Now we will put this point on the graph. In this way you have written the graph or draw the graph on the graph paper such a way that here it is a x-axis, this is x-axis and this is a y-axis, and we have to substitute these points on the graph paper, and the first point is 1, 1 for the first line. Here it is 1 and here it is a 1, 1. Now the second point is 3, 7. See here it is 3, 7 in this way. Here it is a point 3, 7. Now the third point is 4, 10. 4, 10. Here see, here 4, 10. Here is a 9 and here will be 10. Here is not point. See here in this way. Here 4, 10. Here it is a 4. See, here is a 4 and the coordinate of y coordinate is 10. Therefore, here will be the point here 10, and I will write here 10 in this way. And we have to draw a line which passes through these 3 points. You can draw a line passing through these 3 points in this way. Don't go here and there. Accuracy is very important in the graph paper. It is a graph of the equation, first equation, and we have to draw the second graph for the second equation, and for that the points are 2, 1. Here it is 2, 1. It is a first point. Second point is 3, 3. Here it is a 3 and the point here it is a 3. And the third point is 4, 5. Here 4, 5. Here it is a 4, 5 here. When you draw the line passing through these 2 points, 3 points, then we got a line passing through these 3 points. It will be a line, and answer of that point is, see here. Here the intersection of these 2 points is here minus 1, minus 5. It is the answer. We will write the answer here. Intersection of point, here it is an intersection of these 2 points, of these 2 lines, and the coordinate of the point of intersection is minus 1, minus 5 in this way. Now we will write the last answer here. The solution of the equations. the solution of the given equations, the solution of the given equations is -1 comma -5, -1 comma -5. This is the solution of example number 4. And boys and girls, we will continue the next example, and the next example is example number 5. See here, you have to draw the box first for the getting the coordinates. You have to draw these two boxes, and we will write the equation. Here 3x minus 4y, 3x minus 4y. The first equation is on the first box. 3x minus 4y is equal to -7. And the second equation is on the second box, that is 5x minus 2y. 5x minus 2y is equal to 0 in this way. Now, boys and girls, we have to understand that if we will put the value of y, I will put the value of y as -2. Here x, here is y, and here is x comma y. I will put the value of y as -2. Therefore 3x minus 4y is equal to -7. How to calculate it? See here. I will understand you the first step or the first value. By substituting the value of y as -2, here 3x minus 4y, or -4 into -2 is equal to -7. The value of y is -2 here. Therefore 3x minus plus 4 into 2 is 8. Therefore is equal to -7. Now see here, 3x is equal to this -7, and plus 8 becomes here -8. Now 3x is equal to -7 minus 8 is equal to -15, and x is equal to -15 divided by 3, and x 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15. Therefore x is equal to 5, and this minus sign comes here, -5. And the value, when we put the value of y as -2, we will get the value of x as a -5, and we will put this value of x in the box here, -5. And the coordinates will be -5 comma -2. Now we will put the value of y as 4 here now. Then 3x, see the equation. What is the equation? 3x minus 4y is equal to -7, and we are putting the value of y as a 4. Then put the value of y as 4 in the equation. That is 3x minus 4 into 4 is equal to -7. Now 3x minus 4 into -4 into 4, that is -16, is equal to -7. Now 3x is equal to this minus 7 and minus 16 becomes here plus 16. Therefore 3x is equal to what will be, now see here, 3x is equal to 3x is equal to what will be the 3x? 9. 16 minus 7. 16 minus 7 is equal to 9. Therefore, x is equal to 9 by 3. 3 ones are 3 and 3 threes are 9. Therefore, x is equal to 3 here. Then we will write the value of x in the box here. When we put the value of y as 4, we got the value of x as a 3 here. And the coordinate, the coordinate of a point will be 3, 4. Now boys, only third box is remain, and we will put in the third box y is equal to minus 5. Then the equations here, 3x minus 4y is equal to minus 7, and the value of y is minus 5 here. Therefore 3x minus 4 into minus 5 is equal to minus 7. Now 3x minus 4 minus 5 is equal to minus 20, plus 20 is equal to minus 7. Now see here, 3x is equal to minus 7. This plus 20 becomes here minus 20. Now 3x is equal to minus 7 minus 20 is minus 27. Therefore, x is equal to minus 27 divided by 3. Here x is equal to 3 9s are 27. 3 9s are, that is minus 9. Minus 9. Therefore, we will put the value of x as a minus 9. And here it will be minus 9 comma minus 5. It is a first box, and we will go to the second box for the second box. Now see here. For the second box, I will write here x, y and x comma y. Now the second box or second equation is here. See here, 5x minus 2y is equal to 0, and the value of y, I will put the value of y as 5. Then very simple, 5x minus 2 into the value of y is 5 here is equal to 0. Now 5x minus 2 into 5, that is 10, is equal to 0. Now 5x is equal to minus 10 becomes here plus 10, and x is equal to 10 by 2, 10 by 5. Therefore x is equal to 5 to the 10. In this way, when we put the value of y as 5, we get the value of x is equal to 2. I will write here 2, and the coordinates will be 2 comma 5. Now boys, we will put the value of y as minus 5. Here suppose I will put the value of y as a minus 5. Then what will be the value of x? See here, 5x minus 2y is equal to 0. Then 5x minus 2 into minus 5 is equal to 0. Now 5x, this minus minus plus 10 is equal to 0. 2 5s are 10. Now 5x is equal to, this plus 10 becomes here minus 10. Therefore 5x is equal to minus 10 divided by 5. Therefore x is equal to minus 2 here. 5 2s are 10. And this minus sign comes here. Therefore when we put the value of y minus 5, then we get the value of y as a minus 2 here, in this way. At the last, we will write here coordinate of the point minus 2 comma minus 5. Now at the last, I will put the value of y as 0. Then it is 0, and the equation will be 5x minus 2y is equal to 0. Now value of y is 0 there. Therefore 5x minus 2 into 0 is equal to 0. 5x minus 2 into 0, that is 0, is equal to 0. Now therefore 5x is equal to 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. Now x is equal to 0 by 5. It is meaningless. Therefore 0 by 5 is 0. Therefore x is equal to 0. Now we will write here the value of x is 0. Therefore the coordinates are 0, 0. Boys and girls, it is a completion of the box for the example number 5. And boys, we will write the coordinates of the equation of the point. For the first equation, see here, it is a first coordinate, that is minus 5 comma minus 2. Second coordinate is 3 comma 4, and the third coordinate is minus 9 comma minus 5. These are the coordinates of the point on the line, and for the second line the coordinate of the point is 2 comma 5. Second point is minus 2 comma minus 5, and the third coordinate is 0 comma 0. Now we will plot these points on the graph. Boys and girls, my friends, this is a graph paper. You have to plot, or you have to draw in this way, and we will plot these points. First point is minus 5 comma minus 2. Now see here, where is a minus 5 on the x-axis? Here it is a minus 5, and minus 2, where is minus 2? Below line. This is 1 and this is 2 here. It is minus 2. That is minus 5 comma minus 2 is here. Now second point is 3 comma 4. 3 comma 4, see here. It is 3 and 4. Come to the point here. It is 4 here. And third point is minus 9 comma minus 5. See here. Here is minus 9 here. Minus 9 comma minus 5. See, this is a minus 9. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here will be the point here. See, here will be the point. Here is a minus 9 and minus 5. Here is a minus 5. See, therefore we have to draw the line passing through these 3 points. Now see, boys and girls, these are the 3 points, and we are drawing the line passing through these 3 points. See here. In this way, we will draw a line passing through the points, these 3 points, in this way. I have drawn the line passing through the points, and you have to work by the pencil, not for pen. It is a line, and you have to write here the coordinates. Here also coordinate of the point, and the coordinate of the second line are 2 comma 5. See here. Here is 2 and 2 comma 5 is here. Here it is 2 and 5 is here. It is a 2 comma 5. Now second point is that minus 2 comma minus 5. See here, minus 2 here and minus 5. Where is a minus 5? Here. It is a minus 5. In this way, it is minus 5. Here, that is minus 2 comma minus 5. Here is a next point. And the third point is 0 comma 0. And where is 0 comma 0? It is origin. Here it is a 0 comma 0. Now we will draw, see here boys, we will draw the line passing through these 2 points here. The line, these 2 lines intersect each other. At which point? See here. Observe the point where they intersect each other. Now, here is 1 and the coordinate of y, very simple. Here they intersect each other. The coordinate of x is 1 and the coordinate of y is here. See here 2 and here 0.5. That is 2.5. In this way, we will write the answer. The solution of these equation is, I write the last answer. The solution of these equation is 1 comma 2.5. In this way, last example is remain, and do at your home, make practice for that, and we will take the break for today, and we will continue the next point, that is exercise 1.3, and it is depend on the Cramer's rule, and today we will continue in the morning. Okay, thank you.